If you want to check app screen time on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we can scroll down until you find apps, go over here and then let's open the list of all apps, and then of course choose the app for which you want to check how much time you spent in that app. So let's say I'm gonna choose this app over here as an example, and after that you should be able to find a screen time option. You can scroll to previous days in order to find information about how much time, how much minutes you have spent in that app. You can also switch from daily to hourly as well. And that's pretty much it. This is how it looks like. Besides that, if you go back to the main menu of settings, you can also find the digital, well-being and parental controls. Over here we can tap on the current time that we have spent today in order to find daily activities and the information how much time you spent in each app, which is sorted by the amount spent in these apps. You can also switch between different days, of course. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.